Welcome back to my channel and I welcome you all to another cleaning edition of rovingroxieVLOGS. If you've seen my previous vlog wherein I clean my white leather bag using vinegar, you'll see that using vinegar is effective to some extent. However, I have a little problem using it because I have to wait for some more days before I could store it since the vinegar have a very strong smell. So for this vlog, I wanted to try baking soda to clean this bag. So let's see if it works.
So here's a close-up of the leather bag. It is textured, so some of the dirt already built up on the patterns. So we're gonna try to use baking soda to clean the stains. This is my favorite part wherein we try to compare the area that we already wiped and the area that needs cleansing. So this area is what I flashed earlier, whereas this area was already cleaned by our solution. Oh, so nice. As you can see, the stains were almost gone. So we're gonna finish this up.
So yes guys, baking soda is effective in cleaning your white leather bag. So by the way, if you like this kind of content, please do like, share, and comment on this vlog and do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Again, bye for now because I needed to finish cleaning this bag. So I know I'm gonna see you on my next vlog. Bye!